If you're looking to get a replacement, you definitely want to get this one for your Braun 7 Series 7 electric razor. So I recently had to replace the head. So this is the packaging that it comes from Braun. So I'm just gonna put this down. So they're an amazing brand. I really like. I love this electric razor. It's really good. So my recent one, the original one that came with this one, as I was shaving, it started like grabbing my hair. It was like pulling, and I'm like, oh, that was weird. Like it never did that before. So I was like, well, I'm sure it's the head. I had it for like over, I think like a year or more than a year. I think I have to check my order history, but I think it was over a year. So I said, well, I'm not gonna buy this whole new thing. So I just thought of just replacing the head, and I got the original one from Braun, and it's amazing. So as you can see, it's really good. It's very soft, doesn't pull, at least for me. Um, you know, very great. So I really like it. I love this razor. Is my best one I've ever got. And then the head is the same exact one. You just pop it out, and it's the exact same one. So you definitely want to get the original one, and then you just pop it back in. You just click. Make sure this is closed on the back. So yeah, see like right here, it's a little bit open. So you want to make sure, because then it might grab you, or it might not do it right. So I always, try to touch it and make sure it's good. So check it out. Hope you enjoy it. If you need a new head, this is what you need. Don't buy a new one. Just get the head.